Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by preparing both devices. Make sure the Mswipe has at least 20% battery and your phone or POS has Bluetooth turned on. Open the official Mswipe app, grant Bluetooth and location permissions so scanning works. Once done, power on the reader and press its pairing button until the LED blinks blue. This signals discoverable mode. Now go to the app's pairing screen. It will search for nearby readers. If you see the device name, tap to begin the secure handshake. Once the reader appears in the app, select its name and verify the MAC or serial matches the printed label to avoid wrong device pairing. The app may prompt for a PIN. Enter it exactly, often a short numeric code shown on the reader or provided by your admin. After successful pairing, configure connection preferences. Enable auto reconnect for convenience, set a sensible transaction timeout, and choose receipt options. These settings lock in behavior, so future transactions run smoothly without repeated setup. Finish by running a quick test transaction or connection check to confirm communication and card reads correctly. This verifies end-to-end flow. If pairing fails, make sure Bluetooth is enabled, then toggle it off and on, reboot the Mswipe in your phone and retry scanning. These simple steps clear transient faults. If problems persist, reset the reader to factory defaults and pair again, but only after saving settings. Contact support if you cannot establish a secure link. They can escalate firmware or hardware diagnostics.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.